First question, which of the following compounds is a meso compound?
C.
Yes. For a meso compound, what is the condition?
It has a
To have a
pivot.
pause.
It should have a symmetry, a plane of symmetry. Now, if you just look at the option C is having a symmetry. In fact, it is cis 1, 2 dichloropropane. So we are going to have a mirror image which is identical, and जिसका symmetry होता है molecule में, they have the superimposable mirror images, and that's a meso compound. So the answer to this will be option C. Next, the correct order of substituent in each of the following set in order of priority according to CIP rule. So CIP rule is based on
Atomic number.
atomic number. So you have to just see the atomic number of the first atom and arrange them in the correct order. If the atomic number clashes, you have to prepare a set, and based on the atomic number rule of that set, you have to decide the priority. This question was very simple. If you look at the option A, chlorine has 17, oxygen has 8, sulfur has 16. So this order is going to be incorrect. Next, mein, you have all the atom as carbon. So atomic number is same. So when you create a set, this will become Br with 2H, Cl with 2H, O with 2H, and triple H. So now here Br, Cl, O, and H will decide the priority, and as per atomic number, it is in correct order, and that's why the answer to this was option B. Okay. Next one, which of the following statement is incorrect about cis and trans isomers? Cis 2-butene can be converted into trans 2-butene by irradiation. Now, between cis and trans, which is unstable or less stable?
Cis.
Cis. So, lower the stability, higher will be energy. Correct. So, cis and trans have a difference of some energy which are interconverted to each other by supply of that energy. मतलब ये दोनों interconvert हो सकते हैं. Even if you are not aware of this particular fact, if you look at the other options, you are supposed to find the incorrect one. So let's see. In general, trans isomers have a zero dipole moment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But is this always the case?
No.
No. It depends on the type of the
Substituent.
substituents. If the substituents are similar on the same side and on the opposite side, then trans will always have a zero dipole moment. But अगर substituents different होते हैं, then depending on their dipole moments, we identify, or the vector quantities, we identify which has a higher dipole moment. Okay. Then on heating, fumaric acid gives an anhydride?
No.
No. Malic acid, which is a cis isomer, gives an anhydride. ठीक है, तो आंसर यहाँ पर इनकरेक्ट वाला ऑप्शन सी है. इट मींस दैट अदर ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, the number of possible geometric isomers for the above compounds respectively are. So to identify geometric isomers, we have to identify the geometric centers. First one has how many geometric centers?
0.
0. This double bonded carbon doesn't have the different substituents attached to the carbon atom. So obviously this will not be a geometric center. Even the other one is not a geometric center. Next one.
1.
1. The first one is not a GC, but this will be considered to be a GC with a condition that double bonded carbon should have different substituents attached to it. Next में
2.
2. अब 2 के साथ साथ there is one more thing to be observed.
Symmetry.
The molecule has a symmetry. So if there is a symmetrical molecule with two stereo centers, the formula to be applied,
2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n by 2 minus 1.
2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n by 2 minus 1. And we know that with two geometric centers or with two optical centers having a symmetry, the number of stereoisomers become equal to 3, because two of them will become identical, which will be the meso compounds in case of optical isomerism, जो हमने टार्टरिक एसिड में भी देखा है. तो ये दो स्टीरियो सेंटर वाला केस बहुत कॉमन है, चाहे वो जीसी हो या ओसी हो. स्टीरियो आइसोमर्स उसके दो ही होंगे, सॉरी 3 ही होंगे. So the first one will have no geometric isomers, next will have 2 and the other will have 3. So 0, 2, 3, option D was the answer. Next, which of the following will not show optical isomerism? What is the first one?
Cumulene.
Cumulines. Now cumulines with odd number of double bonds show
GI,
GI.
but no OI.
but no OI. So answer is A. Next में अगर देखोगे, there are 4 double bonds, so cumulene with even number of double bonds show OI. This particular compound have 2 chiral carbon, so it can show optical isomerism. If you convert this Newman's into the Fisher projection or to the normal structural formula, you observe that the carbon is chiral, meaning it can show optical isomerism.
So I have a doubt.
हाँ,
So the mesoform is optically inactive, right?
yeah. See, they are
Then
not
how is
asking
it-
about which of the following compounds show optical activity. This particular compound is a meso compound which is optically inactive. But because of the chiral carbon, there are 2 other isomers which are the enantiomers of each other, and they will show the optical isomerism.
Okay, so
समझा?
yes,
तो
sir.
इसमें just presence of chiral carbon आपको देखना है, और इसके corresponding molecules के isomers जो है, will they be able to show optical isomerism or not? That is the question, not pertaining to this particular compound.
Okay.
Next, amongst the following compounds, the optically active alkane having the lowest molecular mass is pretty straightforward.
C.
C. See, for an alkane, the least molar mass compound which is optically active will have a carbon attached to hydrogen, methyl, ethyl, and propyl. Now, if you take propyl, it will have C3H7 in the molecular mass. But if you take the cyclopropyl, it is going to have C3H5. So, among the N-propyl isopropyl versus the cyclopropyl, this particular compound will be having the lowest molar mass. मान लो एक और ऑप्शन यहाँ पर साइक्लोप्रोपाइल की जगह एन प्रोपाइल या आइसोप्रोपाइल दिया होता, then to the answer would have been this only. Are you getting it? Cyclopropyl का molar mass is lesser as compared to the N propyl because there is a unsaturation in the cyclic ring. Remember that also in case there are two similar options obtained. Which is true regarding a mesoform of a compound?
D.
D. Mesoform is achiral due to internal compensation of optical rotation. तो mesoform का achirality का reason या optically inactive होने का reason was the internal compensation of optical rotation. And I mentioned two important statements. A meso compound is optically inactive due to internal compensation, and a racemic mixture is optically inactive due to
External compensation.
External compensation.
external compensation. Good. Next one, Which structure represents diastereomers of 1?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. In fact, if you talk about this pentane 2,3,5 triol, how many isomers were possible? This question we have seen.
3.
So
Right.
everyone knows.
3 is incorrect. There are 4 structures possible for a compound having 3 optical centers, in which actually the second one is not an optically center with regards to the groups attached to it. But अगर हम third के case में, if we keep the OH and H on the left and right, and ऊपर नीचे if there is a symmetry associated, then second and third are actually the mesoforms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And first वाले का mirror image would be the enantiomer. In fact, if you observe first, fourth, and fifth, they are all identical structures. Yes or no? Because two OH are on the left and one is on the right. यहाँ पर भी देखो और यहाँ पर भी देखो.
So can you explain how there are 4 isomers?
See, the first two structures are based on the central atom का arrangement as H with OH or OH with H. Now, with respect to this arrangement, is if I have the methyl up and down and the H and OH on the left and on the right. Similarly, in the second structure, I have the methyl group up and down, this H with OH and H with OH on the left and on the right. So if I consider this as my line of symmetry, then it is breaking the molecule into equal parts. Matlab, these two structures are different because of the arrangement of the third carbon, and they are the mesoforms of each other, correct? Rishi?
Yes, sir.
And next structure may, if I talk about the arrangement, I have the methyl up and down. Now on the 3 carbons, I can have the 2 OH on the right and 1 on the left. Now इसके possibilities अगर मैं आप देखूं, तो since this molecule is having the methyl groups at the top and bottom, if I rotate by 180 degree, and now if I have 1 OH on the right and 2 OH on the left, is this going to be a different structure? जैसे ये वाला है.
No.
No, it's going to be the same. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर if I take the mirror image of this compound, then I will get CH3s on the top and bottom, OH, H, OH, H, and यहाँ पर H with OH. ठीक है. Now this molecule doesn't have the symmetry. So these two compounds are basically the non-superimposable mirror images of each other. And since these are non-superimposable mirror images, they are actually the enantiomers. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So there are two mesoforms and two enantiomers. In the exercise, we have seen this type of two questions. One was about 2,3,4 dichloropropentane, another was pentane 2,3,4 triol. ठीक है, तो ये triol वाला ही compound है. So this have 4 stereoisomers where there are 2 mesoforms and 2 enantiomers or optical isomers. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next, which of the following compound exhibits stereoisomerism? Now, naam say you have to just draw the structure and see where there is a stereo center possible. This was a simple question. So if we look at the option D, you will have a carbon which is chiral, which will be exhibiting the stereoisomerism. Next, the given compounds are. First of all, what is the relation between them? On the cyclic ring, 1 and 4 are disubstituted. The Br and CH3 in the first one is on the same side, and in the second one is on the opposite side. So what are they?
Cis and trans.
So they are geometrical isomers. And a pair of geometrical isomers is simultaneously a pair of.
Diastereomers.
That's it. So this was indirect question wherein the relation is geometrical isomers, but that is not a part of the option. But we know that geometrical isomers are not the mirror images of each other, and those structures which are not mirror images are diastereomers. Clear? So the answer will be diastereomers. Remember this statement that a pair of geometrical isomers is simultaneously a pair of diastereomers. Next, enantiomers are definition related to that. Yes, enantiomers are
D.
T. They are the non-superimposable molecules which are mirror images of one another. Non-superimposable mirror images of one another are enantiomers. Option D. The number of stereoisomers possible for the compound is. How many stereo centers do you see?
3.
3. This is a optical center. This is a geometrical center. And this one is also a geometrical center. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So, secondly, the molecule is not having any type of symmetry. Matlab, the number of stereoisomers would be given by the formula 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. And the answer will be option D, that is 8. Here the answer given is wrong. So I've already given for the correction. Marks will also be updated. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Rishi and Mehak, I think
Yes,
you
sir.
both have scored 90. Was there a loss
I
of
think
marks in this question?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
It marked it
Then
correct.
perfect. So it will become 95. Good. Next one. How many geometric isomer are possible for the given compound? How many stereo center are there? Geometric centers.
2.
2.
2
How?
optical.
Hmm. So anyways, we are specifically asked about geometrical isomers. So we have to talk about geometric centers. Optical bhi hai because this 2 will be the optical centers. How many geometric centers are there?
1.
Only one, which is a 1,2 disubstituted. See, this is a vinyl group and this is also the vinyl group. So consider the two vinyl groups as the two methyl groups. So this is 1,2 disubstituted cycloalkane, which will have the cis and trans isomer possible. Asha. Among this cis and trans, in case of 1,2, which is more stable?
Trans.
In case of 1 2 and 1 4, trans is more stable than cis. उसमें भी which trans is more stable, AA or EE?
E.
Equatorial, equatorial. So in case they give this in the chair conformation, remember the groups needs to be at the equatorial position for the stability. So the answer will be only one geometric center, two isomers are possible. Option C. Which of the following is not true of enantiomers? They have the same. Not true.
Specific
Enantiomers or
rotation.
optical isomers differ only in the optical properties. Their physical and chemical properties remains the same. So not true. कौन सा होगा? They will have the same. Specific rotation is incorrect. वही तो चीज अलग होता है, right? Yes. Next, out of the following, the alkene that exhibit optical isomerism is. Again, from the name, you draw the structure, and the alkene in which there is a stereo or the optical center will exhibit optical isomerism. Okay. Are there any doubts in this type of questions where the structure is to be drawn and you have to identify the optical center? Anyone? Yes? Bolo. Answer is C. You have to draw the structure, and now if you see this carbon, it is attached to vinyl, methyl, ethyl, and H, which are different. Hence, this is a chiral carbon, so will exhibit optical isomerism. Next, which of the following compound will have a mesoisomer also? So 2,3 dichlorobutane mein, if the two chlorines are on the same side, then it will be having a symmetry or a pause, and it will be exhibiting the mesoisomerism. Next, diastereomers have different physical properties. True or false?
True.
True. Diastereomer का यही तो advantage है that they have different physical properties. So enantiomers का separation is difficult because they have only the difference in the optical properties. But if the enantiomers are to be separated, we convert that into diastereomers which have different physical properties. What is that separation process called?
Resolution.
Resolution. The first statement correct. And they are non-superimposable mirror images?
False.
False. They are not the mirror images only. Non-superimposable छोड़ो, diastereomers का definition है not the mirror images. So first is correct, second is incorrect, meaning answer is option C. Next, which of the following statement regarding the projection below is true? What you are going to do in this?
Convert it to Fisher.
Convert it to Fisher. Now, can you convert this Newman into Fisher directly? Can you convert directly? Yes or no?
No.
No. What's the problem?
Make it
False.
eclipsed.
It is in the staggered projection and we have to convert this into eclipsed. तो जब eclipse में convert करूंगा तो this two valences on the left and right will convert to right and left, right? Meaning if I convert this into the Fisher, first I need to rotate this by 180 degree. So basically ये दो valences switch हो जाएंगी and now from top if I draw the structure, it is H with a Cl and CH3. Then this CH3 will go on the right, this on the left, and H over here. So यहाँ तो देख सकते हो this particular compound has a symmetry. ठीक है, अब next, this particular compound is in the Sohus projection. एंड सोहर्स का एक्लिप्स प्रोजेक्शन है, मतलब जैसा आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिया है वैसे आप डायरेक्टली उसको फिशर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. So I have H on the top, then Cl with a methyl on the right, then I have H on the left, methyl on the right, and this Cl at the bottom. अब आप देखोगे इस कंपाउंड में there is no symmetry, इसका मतलब this is going to have the configuration as RR या SS. ठीक है, अब अगर ध्यान रहेगा तो this compound is nothing but R, S वाला and this is RR या SS वाला, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If there is a symmetry in the molecule and you have RS or SR, then they are identical and meso compounds. If you have RR or SS, then it is optically active and the relation between them would be enantiomers. तो अगर ये फैक्ट आपको डायरेक्टली पता है जो मैं टार्टरिक एसिड में डिटेल में बता चुका हूँ, we can understand the answer directly. So what should be the answer? A and B both represent the same configuration.
No.
No. Both A and B are optically active.
No. No.
No. B alone is optically active.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that is the answer. Okay, even if you don't consider the RS configuration for the chiral carbon, for two chiral carbon with this stereoisomers are equal to 3, out of which two of them are the same identical compounds, जिसका configuration comes out to be RS or SR. Okay, so that is pretty simple to understand if you remember the structure of tartaric acid and the corresponding relation. Next, the compound given exhibit both geometrical optical or any one.
Both.
Both. There is an optical center over here and a geometrical center over here. So it will be exhibiting both isomerism. Next, which of the following is a meso compound? Just look at the symmetry. The answer is A. Next, determine the double bond stereochemistry for the following molecules. EZ notation is to be given. So based on the atomic number, the F has a priority over carbon and carbon has a priority over H. So if the two ones are on the same side, it is
Right.
antigen or Jussman. E is for enemies, मतलब opposite. तो ये Z हो जाएगा. And here fluorine gets a priority over hydrogen and iodine bromine mein iodine gets a priority over bromine. Ones are on the opposite side. This is the E notation. The first is Z, second is E. Option is B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This was a good question. How many geometrical isomers are possible for? Now here simply you have to replace the cyclic rings by a double bond and visualize this as a cumulene having
Odd number double bonds.
so cumulines with odd number of double bonds. Show
GI.
GI. And in that GI, the two methyls on the same side would represent cis and on the opposite would represent trans. Matlab, the geometric isomers possible will be only two. So remember, this particular compound which is given is to be visualized as a cumulene because double bond and the cyclic ring both have a du equal to 1. तो जो concept मैंने cumulene के लिए apply किया था, the same gets applicable to this particular compound also. तो थोड़ा लॉजिक आपको अप्लाई करना था यहाँ पर, and it was similar to what we have discussed for cumulin. The answer is option A. What is incorrect about geometric isomerism? It arises due to restricted rotation of atoms or groups about the double bond. That's definition of GI. They can be separated by fractional distillation. Yes, geometric isomers are simultaneously a pair of diastereomers and they can be separated by fractional distillation. In organic compound, presence of a double bond is essential for geometric isomerism. Is this correct? Hello?
No.
No. Because only double bonded compounds show GI, ऐसा नहीं है. Apart from double bonded compounds, there are compounds which can be cyclic and they can show the geometrical isomerism. So if you see the list of the GI, it is double bonded carbon in alkenes, cycloalkene में single bonded carbon के around restricted rotation की वजह से GI बता सकता है, oximes, imines and azo compounds which are again double bonded. But this particular statement is not correct. It is partially correct. It's not essential for geometric isomerism because even the cyclic alkene can show. And D is a famous statement. A geometric isomers pair are simultaneously a pair of diastereomers. Yes. So the answer was option C. The pair of molecules shown are here you have to identify with respect to R and S. Because the ethyl groups are not positioned same as the other structure. Now, if I consider chlorine, this carbon and the ethyl घूम रहा है clockwise होगा S. Chlorine ऊपर वाला carbon and the ethyl group घूम रहा है anti clockwise होगा R. So SR है. Then next, chlorine, chiral and the ethyl group घूम रहा है clockwise होगा S. क्लोरीन दिस कार्बन एंड इथाइल घूम रहा है क्लॉकवाइज होगा
R.
why r the h is on the horizontal, so if it is clockwise you have to change it to
S.
s. So now you have sr with ss. What can you say?
Diastereomer.
They are diastereomers because if one configuration is common and other is changing, then they will be a pair of diastereomers. Which compound below shows stereoisomerism? Again, draw the structure, identify the chiral carbon, and the answer is option D. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Only one correction in the question where there were 8 stereoisomers instead of 4. Rest all okay. Okay.